Hello everyone! Today we're going to unbox the latest iPhone 12 Pro Max and the Apple Watch Series 6 with the leather loop band. We're also going to unbox other accessories to go with both of them.
Let's start!
Okay. As you can see, the box.
For the Pro models, it has a Pro Black box.
Wow. Today we got the Pacific blue color. Wow, it looks gorgeous. This year, on the iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max, we get a new LiDAR scanner which helps with augmented reality and autofocus in low light. It also helps out with portrait mode. This year, Apple paid extra attention to the stainless steel borders and made them
Extra shiny.
These new iPhones all come with the 5G, sub-6, mid-band, and millimeter wave technology. Now we're just going to power it on. This year, all the new iPhones come with MagSafe, which are a ring of magnets around the iPhone which help it align with Apple's MagSafe charger and other third-party accessories. This Pacific blue color looks so delightful. We're going to start it. English. United States. Okay, I'm going to set up manually. I'm going to connect it. Okay, it's telling us to set up Face ID, but I'm going to set that up later. And then I'm going to create a passcode. Okay. So we're going to move data from Android. Continue. While the iPhone is transferring data, I want to take time to talk about the new key features about the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, versus its predecessor, the iPhone 11 Pro Max, the iPhone 12 Pro Max has a larger 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display, and the front glass has a new ceramic shield technology which helps the iPhone have 4 times more drop resistance. Now, all the new iPhones have the latest A14 Bionic chip from Apple, which is the first 5nm chip in the whole industry. And to take a step further for environmental change, Apple is
not including the charger or earphone in the box.
This means thinner boxes, which lets Apple ship more devices at a time. All the new iPhones can also record in 10-bit
Dolby Vision HDR.
Now the iPhone 12 Pro Max
Also has a bigger main camera aperture.
and the ultra-wide camera also has sensor shift stabilization. The sensor shift stabilization moves the whole sensor instead of moving just the lens to get a more stabilized output. Now that we've taken a look at the phone, I'm going to discuss the new changes that are happening to the iPhone box. As you can see, the iPhone box is dramatically thinner
because Apple decided not to include chargers or earphone in the box.
Now, because of the thinner box, Apple can also ship more iPhones in one load. The new iPhones also come with MagSafe, which open a whole new suite of accessories.
Let's take a look at some accessories that Apple made.
I've got the Apple leather MagSafe case.
I've gotten the MagSafe charger as well.
And since Apple does not include any chargers or earphone in the box, I've got the new 20-watt power adapter to power the MagSafe.
And I've gotten the earpods for music.
Let's put this to the side here. First, I'm going to open the MagSafe case. This is just paperwork. So let's move that aside. Let's push it out.
As you can see, there is a ring here,
which is a magnet used to connect to the iPhone. Also this year with the leather cases, you have more precise cutouts on the bottom for the speaker grills, microphones, and lightning connector. The leather cases also have aluminum buttons versus the silicone cases for a more tactile response. So as you can see with MagSafe, the case is blue, and because of the magnets, the iPhone will communicate and recognize that it's a blue case. You're gonna see a really cool software pop-up animation. So you just have to push in the top and push in the bottom. And now the case is all working. Now let's unbox the MagSafe charger. Designed by Apple in California, paperwork, and the beautiful charger itself. Slide it out. The MagSafe charger is magnetic, so as you're gonna see, it will magnetically snap onto the iPhone. As you can see, it's not going anywhere. And you can also hold up the iPhone like this. Now, I'm gonna open the 20-watt power adapter. Move all of this aside. Now, the 20-watt power adapter allows the MagSafe charger to charge the iPhone wirelessly at 15 watts of power. So, what else is in here? Some paperwork. Just throw that aside. Because it has a nice matte cover. Okay. Just gonna connect it. And now the MagSafe charger is connected to the wall. It has a nice weight to it, and I think this part is silicone or rubber. So as you're going to see,
a nice pop-up animation is going to come.
And as you can see, it's charging. Now the upside to this MagSafe charger versus other Qi wireless chargers is it's magnetic. So with other wireless chargers, if you want to charge your iPhone while using it, you have to take it off. But with the MagSafe charger, you can just connect it and you can use it while it's charging.
And now, here are some photo comparisons from the iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Now, I'm going to unbox the latest Apple Watch Series 6, which was released in September 2020 this year. Let's take off the rubber band. As you can see, this is the leather loop. So let's unbox the leather loop. This is some paperwork. Now let's get to the watch band. Okay. And now let's take out the watch band. Now you can open the watch itself. Wow, this looks really good. Here are some paperwork. You can read it. Okay, we can move that aside. And here is the power cord. And here's the actual watch itself. Let's slide it out. Okay. So I think it's telling us to connect it. Apple Watch app, start pairing. Now it's telling us to scan the watch. So it's asking us which wrist to wear. Left wrist. And now it's telling us to agree to the terms and conditions. Okay. It's loading. Now let's connect to watch to its band by sliding it in. Okay, now it's all good. It seems really good to wear now. So we're gonna finish setting it up. It's loading. And we can set up Face ID later. We can set up Apple Pay later. And we can set up Siri later. And now if we pop back into the watch app, so I think we can keep the size at max. The new Apple Watch has a 2 times brighter always-on display, and it also has the same ECG feature, which enables you to check your heart rate as well. The Apple Watch has a newly improved S6 chip, which helps the watch have a much better performance and battery life. The Apple Watch also now has a new blood oxygen sensor, which helps you detect your blood oxygen level. I hope you got the gist of all these new Apple products, including the Apple Watch Series 6 and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And happy Diwali, happy early Christmas wishes, and see you next time. Peace out.
I've been on my own for a minute. Is it only me out there? No one seems to think that I fit in, but I don't wanna be like them. No, 'cause I don't wanna be like them. 'Cause I know that I had a dream that someday I would just fly